This is the Merrill P-10 cast iron handle for the G4000 and M2000 Merrill hydrants. A couple things to notice about this handle is you've got this kind of circular portion here. You've got the two holes. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements, starting with a total length. Measure from this end here to the end there. Turn it sideways. So right there, it measures right at about 5 3/4 inches. And we can also get a width here at the ball, measuring just below an inch. And we can also just get a width of the handle. That's going to measure just below 3/4 of an inch. So once again, this is the Merrill P-10 black cast iron handle.